I've been working in Pembroke here now for 24 years at the Pembroke Welding shop, and we've made a lot of wrought iron railings over the years, and repaired a lot of floorboards in cars and all different things. Brackets, aluminum brackets, stainless steel, and just a long list I can't even mention. This is a motor we're going to repair. The bottom plate broke off. They could buy a new one, but very expensive. So we're going to try to repair this today for them and get it back on the. This thing runs perfect, but this holds it in place. How do you hold the motor down? Watch your eyes. So I don't burn the windings in. The next step is we'll probably paint it. How's that? We're going to weld these custom-made clips for storm windows, old storm windows. And watch your eyes. I'm going to weld them right now. The reason for these storm window clips is the guy's trying to convert his house to an antique house, make it look more antique-ish with the old looking storm windows on the outside. Well, the new storm windows now are compact. You don't have to take them off the house anymore. You just open and shut them. That's the easiest way to do it now. These are, you have to hang on the outside of the windows. Put them on every year. Put them on, take them off. It's a lot of work, especially if you get a two-story house. All right. These are all the ornamental scrolls we use in the railings for designs, different things. Give it a little spicy look, old-fashioned look. We're going to bend a few scrolls with it, and I'll show you how it works. Here we go. We're going to make a nice little scroll here. Then I'll reverse it. Like so. There we go. How's that? These go right on the balusters, right in the balusters like that. A little design, whatever you'd like it to look for. That's about it.